as a little boy, when I would put a seed in the ground and a few weeks later there'd be something coming out of the ground, it was a miracle. And that miracle of life, it never went far from my mind.
The idea for the community farm came about after an employee here at the hospital proposed to place a garden on the hospital campus. Within the course of a year, that was going very well, and the hospital wanted to expand that project.
It's done great. We have fresh fruits and vegetables for the staff here at the hospital have enjoyed it, and we want to try to get this to our patients as well.
The hospital wanted to expand that project, still on the hospital campus, but on a 2-acre plot out in a field where we have much more space to grow. This year will really be more about growing the plants, figuring out how our soil acts, how well they're going to produce, and then next year we want to have more infrastructure out there to conduct these workshops and invite people to come out and do tours. We want them to be able to learn and engage with their food system, learn where their food's coming from, learn how it's grown, and learn how to prepare it.
I mean, we're all so interested in having patients eat healthier. The hospital was interested in doing something to improve patient care.
This year we're also growing flowers for our patient rooms. We want to use that and make our patients feel as good as they possibly can while they're here.
We see so many patients coming with heart disease. A lot of it has to do with what we put in our mouth. I mean, it's so simple.
At the community farm, volunteers will be welcome to come out and volunteer. This year, we're putting more than 8,000 plants in the ground. This farm project is the first of its kind in the state, growing our produce on site, moving that produce into our hospital kitchen. I invite the community to check back in throughout this year and in the coming years to see how we grow.
To be part of the giving, visit us online or text GIVE CHA to the number on screen.